India's progress hinges on the robust development of its urban infrastructure and housing sector, pivotal for economic prosperity and societal advancement. Within this landscape, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, HUDCO, emerges as a key player. Join us as we delve into a comprehensive fundamental analysis of HUDCO, unraveling its potential for the future. India's economic trajectory is buoyed by sustained investments in real estate, fostering income generation and job creation across sectors. The government's commitment to infrastructure-led economic growth is palpable, as evidenced by a substantial increase in capital investments for infrastructure projects, amounting to 10 lakh rupees crore in the Union Budget 2023-24. Additionally, initiatives like the Urban Infrastructure Development Fund (UIDF) and the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) underscore the nation's dedication to bolstering urban infrastructure and affordable housing. Established in 1970, HUDCO stands as a stalwart in the realm of housing and infrastructure development. As a public sector financial institution, it provides vital financial support for residential and urban infrastructure projects. Its offerings span across various segments including social housing, residential real estate, and retail finance under the brand HUDCO Niwas. With a network of 21 regional offices and 11 development offices nationwide, footprint underscores its commitment to nationwide development. Impact resonates through the sanctioning of over 17,335 housing and urban infrastructure projects, totaling 236,555 rupees crores in loans disbursed. Notably, the company has extended financial assistance to over 196.48 lakh housing units, primarily catering to economically weaker sections, EWS, and low-income groups. Furthermore, through HUDCO Niwas, it has empowered individuals with financial assistance exceeding 6,871 crore rupees. Analyzing its financial performance reveals a steady revenue growth trajectory, with a total revenue of 7,086.18 crore rupees in FY23. Although experiencing marginal fluctuations, the company's net profits have exhibited resilience, showcasing a commendable CAGR of 9.58% since FY19. Margin analysis highlights prudent management practices, with notable improvements observed in net interest margins and net profit margins in recent years. Return ratios, albeit witnessing slight fluctuations, remain commendable. With a focus on optimizing returns while managing risks, the company maintains a healthy ROE and ROE, indicative of its efficient asset utilization and shareholder value creation. Strategic roadmap accentuates its commitment to urban infrastructure and social housing expansion. Emphasizing partnerships with state governments and augmenting its presence in smaller cities, HUDCO seeks to align its growth trajectory with government initiatives such as Smart Cities Mission and PMAY-HFA, Urban. Moreover, a focus on diversifying funding sources underscores HUDCO's resilience in navigating evolving market dynamics. In conclusion, HUDCO emerges as a beacon of opportunity within India's infrastructure landscape. With robust financials, strategic foresight, and alignment with governmental priorities, HUDCO is poised for sustained growth. As we ponder the future of HUDCO, we invite you to share your insights and perspectives in the comments section below.